How to set up free shipping on Squarespace. Hi there, today we'll learn about using your Squarespace where you can set up free shipping on your website. So first thing, you need to open the website that you've created, and on the left side panel of the screen, here you can see a lot of options and tools that you can use to improve your website. So what you need to do is on the left side panel, you need to click on commerce. Here, this is just a sample website that I have. So on the left side panel, let's click on commerce. That's the third option from the top. When you click on commerce, you will be routed into a page where you would actually need to set up your product details first before you will be able to set up the shipping information. So here, once completed, you'll be routed into this page where you just need to scroll down on the left side panel and click on shipping. That's under setup. When you click on shipping, you will be routed into another page where there are a lot of shipping options, from the pickup options or setting shipping options and other process as well. Like you can set up how the fulfillment process goes when there is someone who wishes to purchase your product. So here you have it. You will be routed into this page where you can choose what type of shipping carrier you would like to have for your product. And here, once done, you can just go back to shipping and then click on add shipping option. That's the first option here. When you click on the shipping option, what you need to do is to click on the first option here, and then you just need to input the name of the product or the name of your shipping process. And then for this to be on a free shipping, you just need to set the rates or the fees at 0, and then make sure as well that you input the shipping address to make sure that, or shipping zones rather, so that you'll be able to save and continue with setting up the free shipping on your Squarespace website. And there you have it. That's how you set up the free shipping on your website for using Squarespace. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.